Welcome, we have an iPhone XR and I'm gonna fix this for a friend of mine. We're gonna use the most simple tools and we're gonna use the most easiest method. So let's go. Step 1. Take out the outer two screws with the 10-lobe screwdriver. Step 2. Take a spudger like this, push it in, create a small gap, don't push it in all the way, and then go around to unseal the LCD from the body. Step 3. Now that we are inside, we're gonna take out the 3 metal plates. Step 4. So first we disconnect the battery and then we disconnect the 3 cables. It's detached right now. Step 5. Take out the 4 screws that are holding down the camera piece. Step 6. Take out the camera piece. Caution, this is the hardest part. Please watch the video carefully and be very cautious. Step 7, now that we have the camera piece, we can put this camera piece into the new LCD. So we have to do this, and from here we have to reverse all steps. Once you have the camera in place and you have a good grip, then put the 4 screws in and use the screwdriver and put them in place. Don't forget about this piece before putting the LCD to the new body. Step 8, connect the 3 cables from the LCD to the body and then connect the battery. Step 9, make sure it turns on and everything is working before you seal everything back and you put the plates on and everything. Now that you see that it turns on, you can go ahead and put the plates on. Step 9B, put some sort of seal on the edge of the LCD so water doesn't get in that easily. Step 10, which is the last step, the outer 2 screws, put them back in with the penelope screwdriver.